Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? Hope you all are fine. It's me Asma and welcome to Graphic Tees. So today in this video I'm gonna tell about script fonts. So it's very informative, so please watch the video till end. So first of all, what are script fonts? Script fonts are basically used for signatures, handwriting or calligraphies. So and now the one is what are the types of script fonts. So there are total three types of script fonts. So the first one is calligraphy script fonts, the second one is handwriting script fonts, and the third one is brush script fonts. So as you can see, these fonts are very beautiful. So these fonts are called brush script fonts, and these types of fonts are called handwriting script fonts. And the first one, these are calligraphy script fonts. So now I'm going to tell you top most script fonts that are very useful to graphic designers. So let's start. So the first of all, we have this font. It's called White Dream. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So these types of fonts are called White Dream. Now the second one is the Black Light. As you can see, it's very beautiful too. You can also use it in invitation cards and many more. So the another one is Southmore. It's a calligraphy script font, and as you can see, it's very beautiful. So you can use it as a header. So let's go to next one. So our next category is handwriting script fonts. So as you can see, we have this font. It's called Classy Loops. So as its name, it's very beautiful and it have loops. So you can see the examples. So the another one is Tuesday Nights. So as you can see, it's signature script font and it's very beautiful too. So the next one is Handmade Stars. If you want to make content, social media posts, or banner design or a poster design related to children or kids, this font is perfect for it. So as you can see the examples, this font is very beautiful. Now we have another category. Its name is brush fonts. So first one is Better Faster. As you can see, it's very beautiful. You can use it in fitness posters, gaming posters, etc. It's very useful. So you can see the examples. These fonts are brush fonts. So the another one is Bad Cats. So its name is very unique and it's very beautiful too. So let's see the examples. So this font, Tony Stark, this font is called Bad Cats. So the last one is Kill the Noise. As its name, it's very unique and it's beautiful. You can also use it for gaming posters and fitness posters. So if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. No, wait. First of all, now I'm going to tell you from where to download fonts. So let's go to new tab and type divfont.com. So I'll mention the URL in the description. So just enter. So as you can see, we are at the website. So as you can see, there are so many fonts. So if we search what do we search? Better Faster. So as you can see, the font is here. So if we click download, so the font is downloading. It might take some time. The zip file is downloading. We have to wait some time. So yeah, it's downloaded. Just click here and show open. It might say take some time, so just close it and we'll click this file. You can see a small A there. Just click it and open the file so you can see the preview. So if you still want to download this font, just click here. You can see the install button. Just click here. So the font is installed. If you want to check, just go to Photoshop and just type something. Yeah. It's taking time. So this font name is Bad Cats. I have downloaded it. So there I will search better faster. So here's the font. So as you can see, the font is installed. I think I should change the color. Yeah, just zoom in. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.